Hey guys, welcome to YLog 2nd grade worksheet lesson 30. So make sure you write down your name and the date. It says finding the missing factor. Use multiplication to find the missing factor. Example, 2 times blank equals 6. So 3 is the missing factor. 2 times 3 equals 6. So we're using multiplication to find the missing factor. Find the missing factor to fill in the blank. Blank times 2 equals 8. So for question number 1, I think this is supposed to say division instead of multiplication. Division instead of multiplication, but multiplication and division also works. But the easy way is division. So for this example problem, we could easily just do 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 3 would be the missing factor. So 8 divided by 2, so 8 cut in half equals 4. So our missing factor would be 4. Question number 2. 4 times 2 equals blank. So 4 times 2 means 4 plus 4, which is 4 plus 4, which is 8. So our answer would be 8. Question number 3. 10 equals 2 times blank. We would divide 10 and 2, which is half of 10 is 5. So the blank factor would be 5. 10 equals 2 times 5. Question number 4. 5 times blank equals 15. We could get the answer much quickly by 15 divided by 5, which is 3. So our missing factor would be 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, moving on to the next page. Page number 2. Missing factors continued. Question number 5, let's answer. Whoa. Okay, question number 5. You can't see it. Question number 5, it says 6 times 5 equals blank. We can think of this by adding 6 5 times. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That's what multiplication is, just adding it the blank amount of times. So 6 times 5, or 6 plus 5 times, is 30. Oops, this is not a good pen. Ooh. 30. And question number 6, we're finding the missing factor, so we could divide. 20 divided by 2. And what's half of 20? Half of 20 is 10. So our answer, the missing factor, would be 10. 20 equals 2 times 10. Question number 7. Blank equals 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. And we know this because we just have to add 3 times. Question number 8. 15 equals 3 times blank. All we need to do is divide 15 from 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So our missing factor would be 5. So we would say 15 equals 3 times 5. Question number 9. 5 times blank equals 20. We would just divide 20 by 5, which is 4. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Number 10. Blank times 4 equals 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. When solving the missing factors, we can just flip it If it's the equal, the sum, we could just multiply it or add it to itself. But if we're finding the missing factor, like here, we could divide it from the two numbers we are given. So from the sum to the added. Page number 3. So on page number 3, we are problem solving. Review. Determining whether to add or subtract. Let's answer 2 questions on this page. Question number 1 and question number 4. Number 1 says, how much money would you need to buy a toy robot and a Barbie? The toy robot is 46 cents and the Barbie is 78 cents. So it's asking for the total. So we would add. So we would add 46 cents and 78 cents, which equals 124 cents. And since there are 100 pennies in $1, technically this will be $1.24. But for this problem, we're going to just write 124 cents. Question number 4. How much money would you need to buy a squishy and a stress ball? So it's asking for the total amount of money to buy a squishy and a stress ball. So we would need to add. So 25 cents plus 17 cents, which equals 42 cents. So 42 cents would be needed to buy a squishy and a stress ball. Okay, last page. Let's answer with okay. Let's answer questions 2 and 1. 1 and 2. Word problems. A cupcake is 39 cents and an apple is 23 cents. How much money would you need to buy a cupcake? Would you need to buy a cupcake and an apple? So we need to add 39 cents plus 23 cents. And 39 cents plus 23 cents equals 62 cents. Question number 2. You have 76 cents. You buy a bag of grapes that is 57 cents. How much money do you have left? So it's asking how much money you have left. So that's a key word for subtraction. So we would do 76 cents minus 57 cents, which is 19 cents. So you would have 19 cents after buying a bag of grapes. Okay, that's it for today.